Hello, sparkly peoples of the interwebs, and welcome back to my crafting coven, where we conjure the spirit of Halloween through arts and crafts. Today I'm not really crafting, I am going on a Halloween hunting. I need a little bit of, as Mandy calls it, a self-scare day. And I have my little helper with me. She's going to be helping me film, and we're just going to have a little bit of a girls' day. Yeah, so we are going to be doing that, and hopefully we will find some stuff. I don't know that I necessarily will be buying anything, but I just needed to rethink how I did some things, and I just need a little bit of a break from the crafting for a second. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's get going.
Yeah, go see him.
Those are... That's a statement piece. What do you think?
I think it's cute.
Get that.
Oh yeah, there's gonna play lizards.
Oh, there's two of them.
Is it? Oh yeah, there's gonna play
One
lizards.
for sun and moon. I don't think they would like it very much.
I'm sure they won't.
There's $3.
We maybe give them through how they act. It's so cute too. How cute my live they don't like it. I like it. It's cute.
Oh, it's a stupid gnome, no.
So I know. So it
Just
doesn't
hold
buy
it
his.
this way, it's fine because it's gonna light up, but then it's stupid gnome.
He doesn't buy his two gnomes. I thought I was button for a minute. I don't know why.
Button.
I thought I was like, but like, why is that a button up there? Do we have something like that?
This?
Oh, it's up, I think.
So help you with the bottom. What's it say?
$18, huh?
Batteries in there.
I'm fine.
Okay, they're individually priced.
That's stupid.
But they're all individually priced at the same price unless they go all three together.
What is this? Is it for your ancestors that died?
I don't like the lip.
Why not? It has
Because look at all the crevices in there you can't wash. That's what I don't like.
Oh, yeah.
You can't wash that.
True. Oh, hey, is this for the dog? No, that's not for
No.
the dog. It's decorating.
Garland.
Garland. I like this one.
Of course you do.
Can you get this one?
I really kind of like that.
Ooh, cute.
These were really big a couple years ago from Big Lots, but this is like a different quality.
Plastic.
$11.99.
Expensive though.
Oh my goodness. Do you think I should get Theo one of these?
Huh?
Do you think I should get Theo one of these?
Oh yeah.
He cried last time we came home from TJ Maxx and we didn't get him anything. If only Theo was that small. What's this one? Oh, this is like the one at Ross, but it's a snake and stars. You. What's a mouse? Ooh. I want to touch that.
What?
We've been back for a minute, but I just had to go and drop my son off somewhere. And I am exhausted and tired and hot. And it's so funny because today is not even the hottest day it's been. It's like maybe in the upper 80s, I think, today. Yeah, it's like 87 right now. And it's still freaking hot as shit. But let me see if I can turn this down. I don't want to turn my car off all the way, because if I do, then it's gonna be too hot. It's gonna be too hot to deal with, and I'm pretty sure I look a little ridiculous right now. But I found some really cute stuff today. There's a lot that I wanted because it was initial, ooh, that's so cute, I want that, but at the same time it was like I had to sit there and talk to myself. Do I really need it? Can I use it? What's 3 things I can use this for? And am I going to love this within a year? And if all those answers were yes, then I got it. But if all those answers were no, or one yes and 2 no's, then I didn't get it. If I answered correctly, I got the item. But it turns out I only ended up getting, I got a mug, I got 1 mug, I got 1 plate for my my coffee bar, because I thought it'd be perfect for me to be able to set my spoons and stuff there. Oh, I got the puppies some toys. So did they really need them? No, but they were so cute. And you got 3 of them in a package, like a whatever, for $6 or $7, something like that. Where I was getting 2 of them for $6 or $7. So I was like, I might as well just get this one that has 3 of them in there. So Theo always looks for new toys when we come home with bag, because he always knows that I get him something. So, you know, he's a little spoiled, just a smidgen spoiled. But I hope you guys had fun just coming along on my self-scare day. Thank you, Mandy, for letting me use that word today. But I definitely needed it. I needed to be able to get out and think about other things and have that time with my daughter. We just had so much fun and just being goofy and silly, and I actually got out of my comfort zone and filmed in front of tons of people and talked on camera. I didn't talk like one-to-one on camera, but I talked while I was looking at stuff, and she helped film me, which was really nice. And it was nice to be able to get out of that, oh my god, everybody's looking at me. And I think having her there helped me. And I don't know, I enjoyed my day. I enjoyed my self-scare day, and it was so much needed. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because I know you love it and it makes me oh so happy. And yeah, what else was I gonna say? Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that thumbs up, because again, it makes me oh so happy. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.